Welcome back. Now you can use any of the videos that you have in order to create both a GIF file or a PNG file with an individual frame. So when you're creating a PNG file, what you're going to do is you're going to forward to the point where you want to capture the frame. You're then going to click this link that says Save Frame as PNG. You're then going to want to size it into the place where you want it to be. If you don't like your changes, you can click Undo. It'll take you back to the place where you want. Then what we'll do is we'll go to our File command. We'll then save this as a PNG file, and then we'll give our PNG file a name. And then we'll click Save. Then our image will have been saved as a PNG file. Now if we go back to that individual video, we can find that video here in our recent content in the clipboard. We're going to click on top of that content. That's going to bring us back to the video. What we're going to do then is we're going to click this link that says Create an animated GIF from this video. We're then going to click the image, and then we're going to get this dialog box. We're then going to optimize for the purpose that we want. In this case, we're going to optimize for screen video. We're going to add in fade to black, and then we're going to click Create. That's then going to start the creation process. And then once we work through this creation process, we'll have our GIF file. What you'll notice then in our recent content is that you have a file here now that's indicated and called a GIF. You'll be able to click the play button so that you'll be able to see what it looks like. And then remember, because it's a GIF file, that this video is going to loop when you actually put it in. And so Snagit will do that as it will be inside of your PC. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.